Okay, so here I'm going to demonstrate tab order. Now there is a nice feature view tab order that no longer seems to work in Visual Studio, so I'm going to kind of show you how you can work around that. So you'll notice I just have 5 labels out here right now, and if you click on each of them, you'll see the tab index is 0, then this one, the tab index is 1, here the tab index is 2, and then 3, and then 4. And tab index gets created as you create a control on your form, and it happens in the order in which you do it. So I put them out in this order. Tab index always starts at 0, so we've got 0 through 4. Tab index isn't that important in labels. It's important on controls that you tab to on your form, like text boxes or buttons. So let's just, you know what, I'm going to put a button down here too. Actually, I'm not going to do that yet. Okay, so let's take a text box and put it on our form for, let's say, a user can enter the first name. Okay, so I'm going to put it here, and you'll see its tab index is 5. But now I'm going to create some more text boxes. I'm going to put one for the zip, and I'm going to put another one for the city, and then I'm going to put one, let's do last name, and then let's do state. Okay, those are kind of messy. Oops. No, I'm just going to leave them here. Okay, so what happens now is, okay, if I click on this, you can see the tab index is 5, 8, 7, 9, and 6. And when I run this, so see the tab, the cursor in first name, then it goes to zip, then it goes back to city, then it goes to last name, then it goes to state. And that is not good, right? When you create a form, you want to be able to tab through the form and have the user enter data. So you don't want the tab order like this. So what you need to do is you can look at this one was fine, right? If I look at the tab index here, it was 5. I want this one to be next, so I'm going to change the tab index to 6. After you put the 6 in, make sure you enter it so it saves it. Because if you just, this one is 7 already. This one I want to be 8, because if you just change the 8 and then move on, it doesn't go in. And then this guy is 6. I'm going to change it to 9. So now if I click through, you can see 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And now when I run it, the tab order is correct. Okay. So if let's say I put a button out there now, same thing here, it gets a tab index, and because I put that out next, right, as I tab through the form, right, it goes to the button next. But if this is, you know, the easiest way to get the tab order correct is to put things in the order of which you want them to be tabbed when you design your sheet. But if not, you can go in and modify the tab index at any time. So again, labels doesn't matter, just things that you can actually tab to will matter. Okay, so that's how to adjust your tab order on a form.